Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get lobster out of the shell. First, let's tackle the tail, which holds a lot of delicious meat. Hold the lobster body firmly with one hand and the tail with the other. Twist the tail gently but firmly until it separates from the body. You'll hear a slight crack as it detaches. Now, carefully crack the underside of the tail shell open with your thumbs, like breaking a book spine. Then, gently pull the entire tail meat out in one piece. Next, we move to the claws and knuckles, which also contain sweet, succulent meat. Twist the claws and knuckles away from the body. For the large claws, use a seafood cracker or the back of a heavy knife to break the shell at its widest point. Be careful not to crush the meat inside. Once cracked, gently peel away the shell pieces. Use a small seafood pick or fork to carefully extract all the meat from both the claws and the knuckles. Don't forget the smaller parts of the lobster, as they offer delightful morsels. Twist off each of the small walking legs from the body. While small, they do contain meat. You can use a rolling pin to gently press the meat out of each leg, starting from the tip. Alternatively, you can suck the meat directly from the legs. Finally, check the body cavity. Peel off the outer shell and split the body to find thin shells separating rib meat, which can be picked out. Finally, remember to remove the dark vein, also known as the alimentary canal, from the tail meat before serving. This ensures the best taste and presentation. Serve your freshly extracted lobster meat immediately with melted butter or your favorite sauce for a truly luxurious meal. For more great tips on managing your finances and making smart money choices, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.